Suppliers. A supplier is a person or organization that provides goods or services to a business. Suppliers play a key role in the operation of a business, as they provide the raw materials, components, or finished products that are needed to produce and sell goods and services. You can create suppliers from Supplier module. Go to Suppliers, click Add a Supplier. You can enter supplier name. You can select supplier category. If your supplier has opening balance, you can enter opening balance. And you can enter opening balance as a date. If you check this active checkbox, this supplier is an active supplier. If your supplier giving you credit, you can enter the credit limit. If your supplier is a VAT registered company, you can enter the VAT number. You can enter supplier VAT number here. If you want to allocate your payments to oldest supplier invoices, you can check this checkbox. Then system will automatically allocate payments to oldest invoices. You can enter postal address, physical address of your supplier. You can enter contact details of supplier, contact name, email address, telephone number, mobile number, fax number, and web address. Under default settings, you can enter discount, tax type, credit period, and currency. Under default discount, you can set discount percentage. If your supplier regularly giving you discount, you can enter default discount. Then when you enter transactions for that supplier, system will display the default discount. If you want to change the discount, you can change when you are processing the transaction. And you can select the tax rate. If your supplier giving you credit period, you can enter the credit period. If you have activated multi-currency module, you can select the supply currency. After that, you can save this supplier. Furthermore, you can add additional contacts for this supplier. You can enter contact name, designation, telephone, fax, mobile, and email address. You can add more contacts by clicking this green color plus mark. If you want to remove any column, if you want to remove any line, you can remove by clicking this red color button. You can save. You can enter supplier banking details from banking details tab. Enter account holder name, account number, bank name, branch code. You can select the account type. You can add notes to this supplier. If you have arranged any meetings, you can add under notes, and you can attach documents. From user-defined fields, you can add additional details. You can change these user-defined fields names from company settings. These values or these label names you can change. Go to company, change company settings. User-defined fields. Select supplier. From here, you can change user-defined field names. You have changed here business registration number. You have changed text user field 1 to business registration number. Therefore, here text value label name has changed to business registration number. You can select layouts. You can select layouts for purchase order, supplier invoice, supplier return, and supplier statement. After changing these details, you can save the supplier. We'll open one supplier with transactions. After you enter transactions for a supplier, you can view from activity list. You can view supplier opening balance, supplier adjustments, supplier invoices, supplier returns, supplier payments, and supplier balance. By clicking this detail, you can view the detail of that invoices. Here also, if you click this detail link, you can view the supplier invoice. From personal information tab, if you want, you can extend the removal date of that personal details. You can view purchase graph. You can compare monthly purchases with last year and this year. You can view purchase orders. You can view unpaid invoices. When you are creating a supplier, you can enter the supplier details for details, additional contacts, banking details, notes, and user-defined fields. In other tabs such as activity, personal information, purchase graph, purchase orders, unpaid invoices will populate from the system. if you set any currency for this supplier under default setting, after you enter transactions, you cannot change the currency. Now for this supplier, we have entered transactions, therefore we cannot edit the supplier currency. In addition to that, when you are creating any supplier transactions, that time also you can create suppliers. Now we are in the middle of a transaction. If your supplier not available here, you can create supplier by clicking this add new supplier. You can enter supplier details, default settings, and address. Like that, you can create your suppliers.